everybody. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. It is the first day of the year. I'm super excited. I actually just came home maybe like 10 minutes ago. Honestly, I do want to take a nap, but it's 61 degrees outside, which is unheard of because last week it was like 7 degrees at one point. I mentioned this before that I want to be a little bit more intentional about how I spend my free time. And even though the entire day I was feeling like, oh, I just can't wait to get in some cozy pajamas and get in bed, it's 3 o'clock. So I don't want to do a disservice to myself on the first day of the year. And also it's January and it's 62 degrees outside, so I'm going to take advantage of that. Oh my God. I walked all the way over here and the store is closed. Although that walk ended without the groceries that I needed, it was still 1.5 miles that I wouldn't have gotten in otherwise. I've been running around all day, finally got a chance to lay down. My new favorite thing has been watching my favorite YouTubers on TV. It gives it like a whole new experience. And while I still have my tree up, I just kind of like to set the mood with nice lights, but I probably need to get rid of it this week. Then I realized it was still too early to cook dinner, so I figured I might as well go to the grocery store again, and this time one that's open. So I did have to drive. I don't know, I hate driving. I've been really into budgeting these days, so I only took $25 in cash with me to the store, and I was on point because I still had $4 to spare. So honestly, I'm proud of myself for that because this is my first grocery trip of the year, and I always overshop. So I got home and started cooking. I've said it before, my priority lately has been minimizing food waste. I have had onions in my cabinet, peppers and broccoli in my fridge for a while, and I didn't want them to go bad. So I whipped up the stir fry situation, and honestly, it was so good. This will definitely be one of my go-to quick meals. I ate the last of it last night actually with some lettuce wraps, and yeah, it was definitely a 10 out of 10. Plus, as you can see, it's not such a labor intensive recipe, so I'll be making it again. Let me know if you want a recipe. I had told myself that I would do my nails the same night, but after that meal, I was so slumped. I laid in bed for just a quick second and I ended up waking up at 7 in the morning. So I was super tired. So I decided to just do it the following night in an effort to both save my money and step into my femininity more. I'm going to try to keep my nails up. I've been doing my own nails for like 2-3 years. It's really a calming process and I can't blame anyone but myself for how they look. And yeah, I don't know, I just like doing my nails. And of course, I had to double back on those leftovers. So I'm headed to bed, study my Bible a little bit. I'm just really sad that I have to wipe away this pretty face. I'm gonna take a selfie though. I'm really proud of myself because this look, I think I look stunning, and I think I might have found my go-to clean girl makeup look because it wasn't a lot of makeup. It only took me 10 minutes, so it's like you can get all dolled up and it doesn't have to take a long time for you to look like, okay, blush, you know? And I feel like I'm in a space of good momentum. And I know, girl, like it's only the second day of the year, calm down, what are you talking about momentum? But I'm excited about it, but at the same time, let me see myself continue all these good habits. I was just on the phone with my friend Lexi. We were talking about like our weight loss journeys. Let me wash my face. We really want this year to be a year where we do things differently. It's okay to give ourselves grace, but we were talking about like working out because we're currently in a competition on the Apple Watch, and she was saying she really didn't feel like working out today, but she told herself, what would it look like if I didn't quit like I always do? That's not to say that you can't give yourself breaks or you're not allowed to do any of those things. Of course you are, but I'm so used to quitting. Like, what would happen if I didn't? I just want to see how hard I can push myself. I'm curious, like, what kind of videos you all want to see from me in the coming year. Yes, I want to be a content creator, more so than I want to be an influencer. Obviously, we consume things, so, you know, the nature of curiosity is I'm watching somebody, I want to know what concealer she uses. I want to know where she got her jacket, etc., etc. But at the same time, I think I want to see how I can prioritize storytelling, but I still want it to be like just day-to-day life stuff. And of course, there's always going to be that aspect of influencing. I don't want that to be my main shtick. Alexa, play lo-fi jazz. So this is where the video ends. I'm currently just, as you can see, working on organizing my life and just also editing the video that you're currently watching. I just feel really great about this upcoming year. I hope you all had a great New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, the entire holiday season. You know, it's coming to an end, which is bittersweet, but it also means, you know, we can start fresh and get started with the year and start making new memories. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video.